Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing keyboard settings, how to configure Gboard, how to install new keyboard. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. First go to settings, select the settings icon, go to system, select keyboard. You can see current keyboard, select it. So we have two options, Gboard and learn key keyboard. Learn key keyboard is a new keyboard which I installed. I will show you how to install. Right now I am using Gboard. Then go to Gboard settings, select it, and here we can change the language, set the languages. Then first we have to disable use system languages, then only we can change the keyboard language. Then we can select one language from the list. So let me select Hindi. So I added one more language to the keyboard. Okay, then let me go back, go to manage keyboards. So here we can see all available keyboards. You can see Gboard, Google Voice Typing, Learn Key keyboard. So if you install a new keyboard, right, that will list here. Okay, so now let me go to home screen. I am going to check that language change. Then go to search. So here we can see the keyboard, and using this keyboard language switch button, we can switch the language. See, now we can see the Hindi. If you again select that language button, we can go to English. So this way we can change the language of the keyboard. Next I will show you how to install a new keyboard. Just go to apps. Then here we can search for keyboard apps. Keyboard apps. See, here we can see Learn Key keyboard. We can select it and install. I already installed it. After installation, we can go to settings, then go to system, keyboard, then go to manage keyboards. So here we have to enable Learn Key keyboard, that new keyboard which we installed. Then go to current keyboard, then here we have to enable it. See, now I have changed keyboard from Gboard to Learn Key keyboard. So let me check it. Go to home screen, then go to the search. See, this is a new keyboard. So these are the keyboard settings. So please check it.